Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again excited to be able to show you step-by-step procedures and helping you with algebraic equations. Okay, so today we're gonna dive into some interesting math problem that you can see here on your screen. It's gonna be awesome, and I'm gonna show you step-by-step how to solve it. So one of the things I do is what I think about when I see problems like these is most students, when they look at this, say, oh man, how am I supposed to do this? They said, what is this? Some students be looking like that. And those are things that you hear all across the cities and different parts of the world. But I'm here to show you that there's a way to do it simply and just simply break it down bit by bit. Okay? The same thing when you're eating food, you don't eat everything right away. You divide it by sections. You have a plan. This is what we're going to eat, even though some people, they prefer to eat everything fast. So here, let me show you a simple way to solve this. Okay? So one of the things you need to do when you see this problem is this 3 parentheses x minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 2x plus 1 is you have to understand that this 3, you need to distribute it. So basically, think of it as this 3 is trying to enter the house and it needs permission. So the ones that's inside the parentheses in the home is giving permission to the 3 to enter. So once this 3 enters, it becomes 1. They socialize, they talk, they eat together, and now they have a good a relationship bond. So example, the first thing I'll do is 3 times x. So I'll write this in the bottom. 3 times x is equal to 3x. Okay? So I'm done with that first one. Then I multiply, I bring down this operation, and 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm done with the first home, you could say. Now you have another home where you have a 2 trying to enter another house. So this 2 is trying to enter and talk to negative 2x. So 2 times negative 2x will be simply negative 4x. Okay? It's good to notice that you can think of this negative as some people, when you meet them home, they don't initially welcome you right away, but as time passes by, they may still welcome you, or they may take a little bit they may take longer to do it. Okay? All right. Then 2 times 1, just bring this operation again, will be 2. Okay? So far, so good. All right. So now you have these two equations, and some of y'all may be asking, so what do I do next? Like, it looks, okay, the parentheses are gone. What do I do? Excellent question. One of the things I like to do is keep it simple. Right? So keep it simple by putting both like terms together. Numbers or variables that look similar, that are on the same team, I bring them together. So you see this 12 and this 2. Those are something that have the same terms, and both x is 2 as well. So I like to start off with this 12. So I'm going to add this 12 on both sides over here. I add the 12 because it has a minus, a subtraction sign. So to cross this out, you need to add it. So here brings me 3x equals negative 4x. And 2 plus 12 is what? Is 14. Okay? That's basically what you have to do. But we're not done yet. We have another term that we need to combine as well. So this other term we have is negative 4x. So I like to put one term on one side, like the number, and another term, a number with a variable, like the 3x here, on another side. Because what we're looking for what is x, right? What is x? It's very important to understand that. So what I do, I add this 4x on this side, since it had a negative sign. All right? To cross it out, I add it so it can cross out those 4's. Okay? Interesting stuff. All right? So I will have 7x equals 14. And I'm going to bring that up here. 7x equals 14. Now some of you are saying, okay, so what do I do next now? Like, so we have a 7 times x. So when a 7 time is close to the x like this, it means it's multiplying. And you have a 14 on this side. So if I want to move this x, move this 7 and leave this x alone here, I need to do the opposite multiplication, which is division. So I will divide both sides by 7. Okay? And when you see it, x is equal to 14 divided by 7, and 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Okay? And that's how you do it, guys. Step-by-step sequences so you can understand how to do it well. Alright? Practice is very important, but also you need to do it correctly and make sure you do it for yourself. Alright? Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's the natural process of learning. Okay? Take care, and I'll see you in the next video for more exciting math. Bye-bye.